This is the mother plant of the money pothos, and it grows with the help of a moss stick. And this is the mother plant which I brought first to my garden. This is another pothos variety. It's in a middle-sized pot. Pothos plants grows well in water. You can keep them in water to propagate easily. Fast growing plant and also less care plant, less maintenance, but a permanent plant. Today I will be sharing with you how to care for this beautiful indoor plant, money pothos, and known to us as pothos. So there are many varieties too. So let's talk about money plant or money pothos. These pothos stems are in water. You can easily propagate them in water, and at the beginning I've shown you how to do it. And these stems are in a water jar. When you propagate stems in water, see this nod touch the water. So you can fix it in water like that with the help of these marbles. This beautiful indoor plant, you can locate it in a place where it gets the bright indirect sunlight. So if you are planning to keep this indoors, see that it gets the filtered sunlight so that this plant gets the required amount of sunlight. So that is one tip of growing this beautiful pothos plant. Being one of the permanent plants, a beginner gardener's plant too, so you can grow this beautiful plant as a air purification plant too, because this purifies the air. So one of the feng shui plant too, a good luck plant. So have this beautiful plant in your home garden or else as an indoor plant indoors. Very easy growing with a stem, single stem cuttings. Even with a single leaf cutting you can grow them, but see that node is there with the leaf so that it will grow really well. Always use well draining soil for this plant. You can take garden soil, sand and cocoa peat mixture, because this plant prefers a little bit of moisture in the soil. So this plant doesn't like the dry soil, so you can keep the plant moistured by spraying this plant in the morning if it is an indoor plant. When you bring this plant from a nursery, keep it for some time before you repot it. Do the repotting after a couple of days, because let the plant to get used to the new environment. You can do many decorations with the money plant. Like I have done one video of how to do a easy water propagation decoration to your home. So watch that video if you have time. I will put the link in the description. Money plant is a great answer for those who doesn't have space for gardening. If you don't have enough space for gardening, still you can do gardening in small mugs and coffee mugs, pots, and you can keep them indoors as indoor plants. You can grow this money plant in water. Even beautiful stems will do. Of stems will help you grow them in water. So this is one of the plants for any gardener who loves doing gardening even without space. So grow this beautiful plant indoors. Follow the steps and tips I have shown in this video, given in this video. So there are many other videos in my channel. You can check them for more information. So thanks for tuning into Tamara's Garden. If you are new, consider to subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. Thanks for watching. These plants doesn't need much fertilizer, but you can give them coffee or tea fertilizer as fertilizers, because I use them since they are organic for our plants, because easy to find from our home. But those are not necessary for these plants to grow. They are low maintenance, but still if you give them, these plant leaves will get bigger and brighter. So use some coffee or tea fertilizers in your money plants. That's a boost and encouragement for the plant to grow.